Welcome back, vlog. How's it, guys? How you guys doing? Hey, Nessa, say what's up.
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
You gonna say who they are?
This is my
This is my
cousins.
cousin.
Second cousins.
This is my cousins.
Yeah, go ahead, Kaelyn.
Oh yeah, we are going to the lake, and we are
Looks like
gonna,
it's deep.
and
Is it deep here?
We are gonna. We are gonna go on a boat, and
I think we've been here. I think we've been here before. Like when we were younger.
And we're at the lake right now.
Oh, the shore is kind of short, but the rest is kind of deep.
We just pulled up, so I'm really excited, guys.
Well, it's pretty deep.
The boat we're gonna go on today, guys. Sorry, I can't see if you can't see. I'm sorry. Say hi.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
I only have it on your head because you don't have a shirt on. We're across from an airport. How crazy is that? Look at the clouds. Kaelyn's swimming right there with her cousin Anessa. And the jet skis. And we're gonna go on the boat and go fishing. Did they bring the worms? Did they bring more rods?
I think it's just those.
Again. Say it again. She wants you guys to watch her swim.
Hey, Kaelyn. Oh my God. Your noodles. Hey.
First time on a boat?
Yeah, we're on the boat. I'm so scared right now. Literally.
We're not going fast yet, guys.
This is how slow you're gonna go?
No.
I gotta get it away from the store.
I want you to go a little bit fast.
There's a lot of kids out there.
Oh my boo-boo. I'm so excited, guys.
That's so cool.
And also scared and nervous and all that. I just don't know what to feel right now. I'm touching the water. It's
Don't
really
drop your phone in.
Not. First time on a boat.
This is my first time on a boat, too.
Oh, I just scratched myself. It's okay. I'm so excited.
Hey,
I can
Flooded.
see the kids.
shut it off too quick the last time.
Oh man. I'm so excited.
There it goes. This
Scared.
Kaelyn, you're fine. Relax.
Hold this.
I'm so scared.
Kaelyn, relax.
Oh, the seat can turn.
We're gonna clean it out. That's what's happening.
Well,
We'll go this fast for right now. Watch out for the jet skis.
So sick.
what the heck?
Catching waves.
I never thought I was gonna be on a boat before. You said when we start going slower, we could sit on the seat, right?
Yeah, this is this is too fast for even sitting up there like that.
Kaelyn, what do you think?
I think it's actually really cool. I can't even feel the water. I can't even touch the water anymore.
The front of the boat is up. See it?
I know.
I can't even reach the water anymore.
Kaelyn, don't do that.
You fall out. The water catches you, you fall out.
It don't matter. You don't want to fall out.
It's gonna be scary, right? I can't even see the
So cool. Woo!
go slow and I give you a buddy of mine back. Good kid.
What up, guys?
A little bit tired.
Yeah, we just came. Well, we've been back from the boat trip, but it's only a few seconds for you guys. But it's about like an hour and a half. For
yeah,
us.
it was like an hour, if that.
We're going fishing now.
And now we're heading to go hiking to go fishing. Well, downhill to get to the fishing spot, and then uphill to coming back. So it's a little hard, but.
Old lady just waves at me.
How you feel, Kaelyn?
She's tired.
She's tired.
We're about to go catch some who knows what, but we're gonna find out.
Gonna go fishing.
Go fishing.
Oh, guys, the how do you say it? The attitude in this video is probably like from here to like here, and when we are on our way home, it's gonna be like nowhere.
Okay.
We're gonna be like, okay, we're going home. Good night.
Good night, fam. Not right now. Still going.
We are on our way to Otterbrook.
Just gotta recharge the battery, you know.
Otterbrook Dam. Did you fart?
Yeah, kind of stinks.
We're on our way to Otterbrook Dam. To go fishing. So we will update you when we get there. I have plenty of pictures and everything. If you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Facebook, you will see the pictures. I'm gonna post them of Kaelyn on the boat and all that. So, all right, guys, we'll be back.